Balimi kinram haga jingthep kam nurse but A&M haga jilla ke ega jing dawajo ki seng phalang ke egi seng jam baga sarkar kala shim ban pinbet yakini ki kinram ke ega ta ka Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board but ki egi kamram ki jongka kublai parlak sa shisian ipriang ngopai phi shakani ka jing batai linkot ka jongi halor ki mat baper ki bakta ya ka imlang ka salang ka jongi bat menta ka sngi ngenyele ban patai shai halor ki kinram ki balami hade ka jing pala ya ka result jong ka examine na ka benta ka kam nurse but auxiliary nurse midwife lani ka tagap ki ong A&M ha ka tanat ka koi ka kya jong ka jala Meghalaya hakini sngi blalet pilayo I hakila patai khbor ya ka jingkynnoh lehthok le shukor ha ka jing pala ya ka result jong ka examine na ka benta ka kam nurse but A&M ha ka ba ki nong ya le ya ka ni ka exam ki rapin pau ya ka jing bam hun halor ka ni ka result but kinno ba kam shim la dan ka nu ka jing le kho ya ka jing pelong ya ka ni ka exam kindiat halor ka ni ka examine ya ka ni ka exam la pelong da ka Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board ha ka arhoi tarik unai lor ba ya ka result la pelaj da ka tnat ka koi ka kya jong ka jila Meghalaya ha ka website ka jong ka bakot ka Meghalaya portal ha ka arho pratarik jong ujo ubnai ya ka advertisement na ka benta kini ki post la pelaj ha ka live ho tarik ubnai nai tung minta usnam kidon hadu kumba shi spa and real post out ligi post balat na benta ka staff nurse but nyo pu prat ligi post na benta ki A&M but kani ka long kat kum ka reservation policy la ni ka taga bha thungkam but ki wei ki jing don kam ha ka be day ba ka jing pendep ki jing pulie ka snam karta bat kum ta tet kat kum ka jing ong jong katna ka kya la yo pan pediang hadu san hajan real spotlight li ki application na ka benta ka kam staff nurse but nyo spa and real li ki application na ka benta ka post A&M la pelat ya ki admit cards hindre ka klem don ka nu ka jing pani kot ki sta ban pinsi sha ya ka jing ibid jongki ban ya kun ha ka ni ka exam la batai ba ya ki kot ki sta on sa pinsi sha hadien ba ki nong thep kam ki la pass ya ka written examination Hadim pelade thaw ek exam ka Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board kala ibit banjit la ni shortlist South Park Khandai Pusan ngut na ka benta ka post staff nurse ka balong Laisha na ka post ka balan but our span re phulai ngut na ka benta ka post A&M.
So we would like to inform all the media, the press, that after receiving a total of about 5,603 applications for the staff nurse, 706 applications for the A&Ms. After the due process is completed, the admit card were issued and are being downloaded by the concerned candidates. So importantly, I would like to tell you that at this time, there was no document verification occurred at the pre-written examination stage in compliance with the Office Memorandum Number PR/AR 25/2022/23. This memorandum mandates that document verification be deferred until after candidates have passed or cleared the written examination. So therefore, the select list or the shortlisting of the candidates based on the merit is done. Following the written examination, the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board shortlisted 495 candidates for staff nurse and 263 candidates for A&Ms based solely on merit. So the number of shortlisted candidates was more than 3 times the number of vacancies for each category, with the anticipation that certain number of our candidates may not possess the proper documentations, especially the Meghalaya Nursing Council registrations, and also in view of the fact that the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board desires to fill up the entire vacancy within the current year.
Kasarkar Meghalaya kala ibit bantau da ka board bantung kam hakat nat ka koi ka kya na marga jingkala stat jong ka por bat ka jingdon kam ha kani ka tnan kala don ka jing pen snow ba na ka daw ka jing shimpor palat da ka MPSC la ni ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission ban pelat ye ki result sa ni ban thungkam ha ki tna ki ba pher jong ka sarkar kala idon kam ban thau no dala ka jong ka board khnang ba ka rukom thep kam thep jam kan long ka ba yaj be yaranti par kan long ru ka ba stat de na ka ni ka daw bala thau ya ka ni ka Meghalaya Medical Recruitment Board Mention snam ban pendap ya kini ki kam ki bakerke. Ke par kita ki jerubat ha kini ki jingthum kam bamenta kenti. Katu kat ningut na pedeng kitu ki bathep ya kani ka kamners ringkat ki seng bhalang kum ka khasi students union ka jingthep students union bat ka hinyau tribe youth council kila pin pau ba don shipun ki jing bakla ka result jong kani ka exam bala pelat da katnat ka kwat ka kya kata ka apo pratre ku nai lor ki bakken thop e ka jing bam biang ki roll number ka jing ja jong ki roll number ba ka jing pen mi rcn ya ujo roll number ha ka list ka baning kong bat ka ba ar ki bala pelat ha ka jo hi ka sngi kini ki seng kila lek banyak kenduru ya ka menteri ketenat ka koi ka kia i Dr. Amrin Lingdo ban dawa pen baik ya kini ki jing bakla baro bat ru ban pendam no sendon ya kani ka result ka KSU ka JSU ba ka HYC kila dawa ban pendam no ya kani ka result bat ru ban thaw da ka kynhun tohkit ban khmi halor kani ka jingkynnoh lehthok ha ka ban jet bat pelat ya kani ka result bat ban penshi tom ru ya ki tu ki padan kti ha ga jo ka por kila dawa ba de ban pelat wat ya ki marks jong baro ki tu ki ba le ya kani ka exam bat la da don ki no ki bam hun ya ki marks ni ki ba sngo ba ki marks ki jong ki kim ya ha ba ka e ka ba kila tho kila ban pet ya la ki jong ga jing tho la ni kita ki OMR sheets sho kila kno ba khat lai te li ki jing ke li bala ai ha kani ka exam kim ya ha ba ka subject bala pelat ha ka advertisement nalor ka ni kila kdo ru ba ki tarik ban pelong ya ka physical verification na ka bentagi kartu ka ni te li ki roll numbers kan de ho snap araja ar pesan araja ar pun rio ter hadu araja ar pra nalor ki seng bhalang ka seng Bharatiya Janata Party lani ka BJP ru kala mi shakmat ban pin pawi ka jing snow khia halor ka jingkynnoh lehthok ha ka jing pelat ya kani ka result ka seng kala kentu yu menteri rang ba ka jelau konrad ki sangma ban khmi bnia halor kani ka mat
ka ai ka bangilap akan ka exam kalong ba don ki jingdko nakaliang jong ka board of examination jong ka medical board of examination ka ai ka bangakwa ban ong kalong ba haba tangki brio jong ka state ki brio ki badan hapo state ki balong kitu ki badai ha ka on reserve category lene ha ki kum ki OBC lene ki SC kim pat yo ya ka kam ka jong ki penban ki ailat ya ki brio ki banabar ya ka bakin apply ya ni ka post kum na po Rajasthan UP Haryana ba kum ta ter sa ka weiru ka ha ka bayadai ba ka exam ka ai ka ba pelngo aingi kalong ba ha ka ju ka sngi ki declare RCN ya ka result men step shisin but kabalong tang roll number sudah but janmi shisin kabalong roll number but ki marks ringkat but ki additional roll number ki balong sapun riu teli ki roll number but nalor kataru ba ki don hi ki roll number ki ba mi RRCN ki ba ki mention RRCN haba phai shakani ka jingmi RRCN na ki sportsman ki ong ba nakadaw ba ki dei haka garo category but ki dei haka sportsman category na takadaw ki mi RCN kat ba yakini ki ayupa yakini ki ba dei pok on reserve pan kitu ki ba dei ki ST ngimyo i haki ST list bakin pen mi RCN yakum kita ki numbers te kaniru ka penlong sayong yengi
kum ka jing pet jong pi hatu pi shem bakani ka jing le jong kani ka tanan kadai ka don ka jing bam shim khia ne ka cylinder
kania kadai na benta baka tanat hi kamlong systematic and plus nangta bakim follows ya bakim don hi ya kataka ya kataka system ya kabakin boot thik pathik nado kipor ki balale nata kadaw kani man ba long exam lene kinu ki recruitment ro hapo ka state hi baro ko wengi yo i la kalong haka kam hakinu ki kam kum kino hikai ne ki pulet ne ki nurse ne bat kiwei nginyo i bet kan don bet ka jing ko lani ki lapses kin don bet
ba ruben kani kam dei kasin ka ba ningkong ka ba nakaliang jong ki KSU ki dawai ki marks nilai idang syan na po MPSC ru phile kum ju menta po DHS ru hato kani ka rukom bandawai ki marks ka dei ka ba julong na ru menchwane menta first time
hak ga badai ba kajing dawai ki marks boleh ni dawai ki marks kanang ba kan min i ba kanu kajing thungkam thung jam kan di ke bakhut jing shisha ban publish ke marks kadi haba kinu ki board exam recruitment authorities recruitment board lada ki conduct kinu examination kan yu ki ban pau ki marks dala da ka pau ki marks pin ki khna kinte manu badi hok banyo manu bom di hok banyo kandon ka jingkhut kandon kata transparency kumbangila ju pa ong na kapor sa kapor pe ka recruitment authority sapo ka jela ka jungi mo kadi lingba ka MPSC ka DSC ni don sekini ki recruitment board pala dang su 1000 but ki department ki ba conduct ki la ka jong ki examination ka jingdawa ka jungi ka dei namta transparency but lingba ka transparency ngi dawa namta ki marks boro ban pini la ka don kanu ka board e ka ba budget ka nolong sidong kam toy rebing dawa ki marks sende ngi I ha ka jela ka jungi kinu recruitment ki don bikini kita ki ba ki jing jeruat ne ka jing ya pendrung tu ka jing le tu ba ka pen situ bakla yiki samla ba jangi ru ka pen situ da komoi le se ka don I shalendat ne ka kwa ka dung hong kam tu ta ka dang I pan ki marks
Kendiat kani ka jingdon jong kani ka Meghalaya Medical Recruitment Board. Hato namar ba kadai syabat jong karitis in syar jong ka MPSC. Hato kadai ka jingker khune kadai ka jingma namar ba kala bandan ru ka jing thu kam kabam hok.
pe takadaw ka jingi kendu munta ka sengi kadi habade bi ni ki kam jing staff nurse hende kum ya ka recruitment board in ya kendu biang pi munta ha Meghalaya ko mga ong ngidon ka MPSC ngidon ki DSC ngidon ki recruitment board ba pair ngilayo ya ka medical Meghalaya medical service recruitment board ngidon ya ka educational recruitment board baling ila asnai kini ki board khnang ba ban sting ya ka MPSC bat ki we ki tanat rekam hindre kaba ngi hapit punya ni menta ngi adon ni ka medical board kilaya je ka recruitment ka juki hindre hato kadon kono examination rules hato kadon kono recruitment rules kumbangi nilai keren ya kata mane ki ong kadon hening ong hai kadon namar ba te pipe ja ka website joka recruitment board joka ni ka medical recruitment board kam dan iru yam kolong with plain kam don ki acts kam don ka rules te kani ka board kayo bor ne ban pulong ya kata examination but kumnu bakan pulong kita examination kadi bandon ki kendon ki ba pher te ka jing bam don ki kendon hi kadi ka we I naki jingduna tam ka jinglong menta je kini kam jong staff nurse bikini ki ANM ru kadi bakim don ki proper recruitment rules kim don ki examination rule takadaw ka board katu kani ki members jong ka board ki perkhat bangin le kum tai kile kapun kulmar lu boro dei ban lingba ka jingdon je kabut hoi ka jingdon je kabut ka ngi sumba to ka de ka babyang namar kan pin stat ya ka rukam thungkam tungjam bara ka jo kaporu andei tang ba ka justan ende ka de ru ka de bala kan de ka babyang kan de ka bakhut
Pak Tebo filak ban ya thu ka ka daw ko bapiwan ban ya kendu ya I minister jong ka koi ka kiam ta si.
Idon kam ban trilang ha padang ki nong ki kun samla bar ki sing bhalang nang ta bar ki media kumjo nang ta bar ki ru sarkaro handrai ka ba ithamola kalong ba teng habangi I ki kun samla ki long serious me tho exam mani pulikon nang ta ban atam ni ki exam bo hero ban yo ha ki ban rum kam ha ki ta jong sarkar jala handrai phose ka ba I compare ani ka por kalong ba ima ka sarkar kam dong serious ya ka kom conduct ya ki ni ki jingtrai kam ngolong ki kam sarkar te kumolong mentahi kalong bai snei gini ki ban ru jarot ki bathot ki exam staff nurse ba ka ANM ka ba ki la phone changi ka sing GSU rangkat ba ki pro ki SU ingi sim ka jo ka meeting ka wegi wan lang jo ka sur kalong ba angi prem ka sarkar kalong ba hadien bang isu tho ba ki don kata ngalamun ong ka jing failure hagar kum conduct ki exam na ka por kapon ba ki jenet pa ka recruitment board jongga health department kalong ba ki dang kilong plat kidang duna prat agar kom pentreka mi ki anya ni balong kabawan ra kata jing kho jing subah hapo kan ikar kom conduct ya exam tegi bon ki khon samla ki khna samla balong ba kimtep ya gani ka ru jong gani ka recruitment board jong gani ka health department tegal jilong jing kur khu ngimtep kata handre ka dei kadang sedang tengi I ka failure ka bon ba ni ki jenet ki badang duna te dong kam pendap
tika ka jubab jong ka sarkar halor kani kamat kumba ka long hi ka tanat ka kot ka kya kala kinta ya baro ki jingkynnoh bat pinshai bahadin bala pelat ya ka thup ka baningkong Kilami ki jing persha bakani ka thup kam long kat kum ki kandon jong ka bhat thung kam ba dei na kani ka daw ba ka thnat kalapin bet ye ki jing bakla bat pelat ya ka thup ka baat kalapin shairu ba ki roll number ki ba mi pau arsian ka dei namar ba ki tu ki be le kani ki exam ki apply ha baro artli ki category ka bakan thup ka sports category la ka jong klai thu ru ba ki roll number bat ki marks jong baro ki tu ki be le ki exam on sa pelat hadien bala pinbet ya kini ki kendrom kendram baro.
So we feel that the MMSRB face very serious allegations concerning the irregularities in the recruitment process, including the accusation that non-present candidates were also shortlisted. So we feel that these allegations have been categorically denied by the MMSRB. There was an allegation that the same roll number appears twice, thrice. No, that is part of the sports category. Okay, that then again when we had to release, when we are asked to release again the second list as per the category, then we have taken a decision to increase more than the 3 times of the vacancy. Hence the number of extra number 46. Another one thing which I would like to clarify here, that everything is being done in a very fair and transparent manner. This recruitment which we have done for the regular candidate, we are doing it from the board. But in fact, we have done a recruitment through the DHS office also, the 288, the 325, the same procedure we are following because we know, as per our record and our experience here in our DHS office, we have so many of our candidate nurses who are really having problem with the nursing council registrations. We have so many of them. That is the main reason we are calling more than the 3 times the number. But that I would like to tell you that is not the waiting list. Yes. This is not the waiting list. I would like to inform you once again that this is not the final list. This is just the short listed select list. So therefore, there can be errors, there can be technology error, there can be human error, there can be typo error, but then we are still in the process prior to the verification of document. Therefore, if there is anything, grievances, again, you can always write and reach out to us. None of those questions are outside the syllabus.
Halor kaway na jingkynnoh. Bakaway kanong thep kam badon yo roll number not san kanda hinyo ka klam wan ban thaw ek exam hindai ka roll number ka jongka kala pau ba kala wan thaw ek exam ba kala yo ro ka marks halor kani ka board kala pen shai ba ka dei ka jing ba kala ban ithu ya aru ki candidate ki badon yo jo uram roll number kata ka way ka ba apply na ka benta ka kam staff nurse ba ka way pat ka ba apply na ka benta ka post ANM kabawan niya le ka examination kadegan mantaga post ANM but kayo san puway marks.
There was also an allegation in the newspaper that there are some candidates who did not appear even for the examination. Even the roll number were also seen marked as present on the marks. So I want to clarify this. In fact, this number is 0597. Actually, this is the staff nurse. We have 2 cadres, okay? When we release the last list, when we published the list on the 1st of October 2024, there was a list for the staff nurse which has around 13 pages. There was a list of the ANM which has around 3 pages. So the particular candidate belonging to the staff nurse, they just take a screenshot that 0597 is my roll number. However, I did not appear. How come the marks were there? But we have already rectified, we have clarified. The 0597 is the ANM's roll number. Who appeared, she also belongs to a Garo category. She appeared and her marks is at 51. So there is no such thing that saying that the candidate who did not appear at all, that marks were given.
Tikindon tang kitu ki typing error. However, la tikidon kumbala batay na dumane. Like don ita ijing smo wamshania, they always keep laman one chakane ka grievance redressal. Thaw bit through the email. Gitu bangila ay tingin say ngilaman pen shy kanya kata. ni kwa ka jing bhai ka jing step re pose le se ki ba le pada ke exam ki don ka jing kho nyo na ka ta daw ni la pendam no ya ka tu boong ban one physical verification ya ki tu ki 3 times the vacancy thing in khot no manta exactly means kat badan ka puas kata ladang isyam bakimbiang kamut ngin khot no da ki wei kani ka rukam actually ka pensuk ru yang ngin dan ka man screen ju la senrus pa news pa kat badai ngi khot bai kat 164 lada kimbiang lada ki she's pasan phau ki biang khat sao kimbiang kamut ngin khot no sang as per the descending order of merit ngin khot shu sakitiki khat sao.
The door is open for all those candidates, but you cannot just come like that. You have to write through an email, express your desire, what is your constraint, what is your grievances. We will show you the OMR response sheet. You will show you the OMR response sheet. You will see with your own eyes, you will calculate, but you will see only your own scorecard. It is open, anyone can come. If you think that OMR response sheet is being tampered, then yes, I leave it to you. If you think that it's done, then I have no say. Whatever we have done in a fair and transparent manner. But if they think that the candidate feels that their OMR response sheet is being tampered, those candidates, we advise them to come, meet us, write through an email, see with your own eyes, submit your roll number, then you will see whether your OMR response sheet is being tampered or not. Haka jing trekam kadon da jing duna. Tambah ngimdai bada bengi kam rectify, ngimdai bengi ong tham le kani kari rectification process ko fi balai punta ngai persyak mon tambah. Then rain ki invigilators pada conduct exam. Kila high trading ya ki shua biki kena jangi kin attempt ya ko response sheet ya ki up shua. Wat pat le tak haduk na labatai fi. Dan rain teng bopli ka jing nervous dai. La kum sedang no ate. Don hi ka na susun dai bonga. Nomor balai ngai le dia ngai doktor dai. Kinas kide giwei balong kinok kesan ba ik hospital jangi. Takadaw ni balai ngai la sistem ni na mangi kwati kini kinas jangi bikin rung kam. Te ngi kang ada kata kajing snor ta jangi. Akajing nervous pi madam. Ila kum sarkel. Ai no asa dakawai ni mla asyu man ai dakawai. Anta kita ndai man ang pada bengi lek kenang ban pentut ya exam bagi ko man lek tu ngitung gi gibre jangno Ublay nurse jangi. Situ kan ngimda le ban hai. Kalau fair do kata-kata bahado ada pikwa bentuk iki kemak lajang pisar ke sisiane pi bakalane one page kan. The fair process assurance, the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board would like to conclude by reaffirming their commitment to a fair and transparent recruitment process, and we reiterate that the appointment of the shortlisted candidate is subject to document verifications. A grievance cell which has already been set up is also to prevent any kind, if there is any miscarriage of injustice, and I reiterate that any aggrieved candidate may approach the grievances redressal cell.
Hakawai pakaliang katu kat ningut isamla ki bala pas ya kani examiners bala pelong de kapot dangshen kilami syakmat ban kerpa di kibor bahalor ban pinstat no ekam ka balang sa kum ka physical verification show kila kam bakani ka examine ka long ka bakhot klem kanu ka jing lehthok
telabeni pek pat kani ka kompanya kani ka exam ka bamta ajar usau ngi ba ka nakaliang ka port kapag penyiat kani ka exam kila la ni result ki chidayo kapag ni paji ko nung ha ki por ko andam te nangta ka kani ka kinti ka pamenta yo ban ra ki jikli jungi shi ban ni la cross check ko ya ki juba ko bagi lehthok ka por te nangta ka answer key ru ka por bagi demi result answer key kila ai kan ko por pamenta ban ladangi kuat bangin cek kita ki juba ko ni ai ru ni la cek lim ba tu ka answer ki ba lai ka bot ni ba akan ni kiti ba mentai ni ru ya ni ka jingdon jo ka grievance ka ba lada ki candidate ba kynhun candidate ki ba sohun ya ka marks le jong ni ki ba kuat ban pe ka marks ki yang kila ban tho da ka mil ska di chess ba sha ka bot ba nangta kinsa sha khot pat ban pe kita ki paper jong ikini ki baro ki ba ni shem ba ni lap kani ka sinan ko manta ka ba ni ba kamdan ke shal dat ba kani ke jingya kani ke jingnya exam ko ka ba jai pe ya ti nomor ba kapor mengtho exam kidon kini ki ba kicing ringdor na ni like videography ko panyong ye we candidate ba one mengtho ini exam te na kalian juga ini ingat ba kicing pas yang ke exam pada beli maka cipresh tau ni kade limba kicing fresh tau kamdan kan rumah mengisi Hato dan idam ke kasandan nama ni sonto di ba kapos kadang cispan dalam sawit ini dapat kita untuk exam lapor syaka sama jatan beri macam mana
tinggi mimdan pat robai dei bakata tinggi ke proses ka jingun ke bangidon hani keritang kata hi ke wi bangin kerpa ke keyboard ki bahalor ke higher authorities ba kinsmo ha balung delay lagi postpone ya kata physical verification ko makila ai por shi posni tinggi ni corporate kata ka posni hendrai long hati jo kata ni kermen bani am community be bakani ka recruitment process kan ya chakman
Hagabede begini kendram ke board kala thaw da ke grievance committee ban pinbet yakinu kinu kijing hapo shi post ni hadim bla yo lum ya kijing ujor haga jo ke board kala ong ru baga miglaya medical recruitment board kanya lekat bala ban pintikna baga don ke jing le khoj hakam hakathungkam thungjam hakani katnan Hato ka jing pensya jong ketenat bat ke board ke syongnya Hato donkam shisha bentung ya ke komiti ban tohkit halor kini jingkynnoh lehthok hakarukam thungkam pisngo kumno pensgo gi jing mat gi jong pi ha comment section hapo bawat klet ban like share ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel ke jongi detat hadu ke we pat ke por ade iban ge mauri nagamentau forefront media kuble ke por jong pi baro